Hey, in this video I'm going to talk about Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson news. So there are a few things you need to know. The fight will be streamed exclusively on Netflix. So if you have Netflix subscription, you will be able to watch the fight. If you want to go there and watch the fight live, you have to be there July 20th in Dallas, Texas at the AT&T Stadium. And if you want to buy tickets for it, you have to go to mostvaluablepromotions.com, sign up to get exclusive access to tickets 48 hours before the public. And there are also some things like crazy rules that are kind of speculations, but maybe they are true, who knows. It basically means that Jake Paul will be able to wear the amateur headgear. He won't have any weigh-in weight. He can be on whatever weight he wants. He won't be drug tested, so he can use like any drug-enhancing whatever drug. And Mike Tyson, of course, won't be using headgear. He must be at a certain weight. He can't use any drugs, etc. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you want to get the Shopify trial, click the link in the description.